We exist in an era dominated by what I term the landfill economy, a cycle where consumables are designed for rapid obsolescence, their components barely outliving the warranty. This systemic flaw bleeds into every aspect of our lives, from the tech that clogs our landfills to the flimsy accessories that clutter our homes, each a silent accomplice in the erosion of personal and professional efficiency. It is against this backdrop that the Orion Standard emerges, a demand for gear engineered not just to function, but to endure, to provide a resilient platform for critical tasks, even those vital moments of personal restoration. Today, we turn our attention to an often overlooked cornerstone of that resilience, the Best Choice Products raised garden bed. Picture a professional, one who bills in four-figure increments per hour, standing in a midtown Manhattan boardroom, or perhaps an executive suite overlooking Canary Wharf. The presentation, the deal, the entire trajectory of an enterprise hinges on their clarity of thought. Now, imagine that same individual returning home, seeking a moment of peace, only to be confronted by the flimsiest of personal infrastructure. A budget piece of household equipment that buckles, warps, or otherwise fails under routine use. That sudden jolt of frustration, the wasted moments of troubleshooting, the silent mounting irritation, these are not trivialities. They represent a reputational tax on one's personal well-being, a leakage directly impacting their cognitive bandwidth, and, by extension, their professional output. The silence in that room is not just a moment of awkwardness. It is the sound of mental friction. This brings us to the core financial recovery strategy. Consider the daily grind: 15 minutes lost to ergonomic strain, 5 minutes to repositioning an inadequate setup, another 10 to the mental load of poorly designed personal spaces. That is half an hour every day. Over a month, that aggregates to 5 hours. For a professional in London, San Francisco, or Toronto, whose time is a finite, valuable asset, that 5 hours represents a tangible, calculable loss, easily reaching into the thousands of dollars. The Best Choice Products raised garden bed, with its thoughtful engineering, directly combats this. Its 32-inch height is not arbitrary. It is a calculated ergonomic advantage, designed to minimize physical strain, allowing for sustained engagement without the creeping discomfort that siphons mental energy. The locking wheel system transforms it into a dynamic, adaptable platform, effortlessly repositioned to capture optimal light or to reconfigure a dynamic home office environment, saving precious minutes of physical labor and mental decision fatigue. From an industrial design perspective, this is not merely a wooden box. We are looking at a 4-foot length by 2-foot width, standing 32 inches proud, a substantial footprint designed for serious application, not fleeting fads. The robust chassis, crafted from durable wood, provides a foundation capable of supporting 100 pounds, indicating an over-engineered capacity for demanding personal projects. The integrated high-density polymer liner is not just a barrier. It is a precision-fit component preventing material degradation, ensuring structural integrity, and optimizing internal conditions. The 4 drainage ports are akin to a sophisticated thermal dissipation system, preventing root oversaturation and maintaining a critical equilibrium that protects your investment of time and effort. This is not casual gardening. It is structured personal investment, a platform built with the same uncompromising standards one expects from mission-critical tech. Now, a calculated observation for the truly discerning professional. Its substantial footprint and engineered weight might deter the casual user seeking something ephemeral. This is not a lightweight, disposable item, but for those who understand the value of a grounded, stable platform, that very permanence is its strength. Its generous dimensions are a commitment, demanding a dedicated space, yet offering a proportionate return in stability and capability. This is not for the hobbyist. This is for the professional who recognizes the profound impact of a well-engineered personal environment on their overall performance. The global supply chain, especially into 2026, remains highly volatile. Regional hubs across the US, UK, and Canada are seeing prices and stock levels shift on a daily basis. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.